Hi guys, welcome again. Good morning. So because there's a snowstorm last night, that's why it's full of snow. Look at that. And I'm going to the bus stop. I walk far already because I cannot go to the other bus stop much closer to my house. I cannot walk in there. I tried, but it's a lot of snow and it's so hard to walk. So right now I'm just going here to the other bus stop, and I hope there will be a bus coming soon so I won't be late. This is terrible. Usually if there's a snowstorm like this, there's always problem in the subway. So good luck to me. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.